over here. Quick, there's not much time. I'm R.L. Steinwriter. I'm a writer. Darn it. I'm a typewinder. I'm a Stein. Just R.L. Stein, a writer. I wrote Goosebumps, you know. Over 400 million in print worldwide. Never mind that for now. Something has... Writer's block. So horrible. I need ink. Look under me. The drawer. Help. Oh, my goodness. Phew. Wow, much better. Okay, listen. Oh, no. Hide, quickly, under the desk.
Ah, the books. The Goosebumps. Just one won't do. This one is fun. Always good for a scare.
Slappy? Released? He must be stopped. Okay, now all you have to do is... Something's wrong. The book is missing some pages. Maybe they're over there by the fireplace. You will need 2 more pages. They're somewhere inside this house. You need a key to get out of the study. It's behind the blue books by the door. Unless you can see in the dark, I suggest turning on the lights. The light switch is next to the... Great. Now just gather up the rest of the pages. I don't want to scare you, but if you see or hear anything strange, hide. That lawn gnome is stealing a page. Don't just stand there, smash him! That's a graveyard ghoul. Slow, not too smart. Just keep a little ahead of her. If she traps you, try and hide. You've completed the book. Now find Slappy and open the book on him. Just make sure the lights are on when you go after Slappy.
Slappy! See you around.
You're gonna try and put me in that book? That's not gonna...